Welcome to the Ivy Beach 4 by Blue Whale Spa. Designed for simplicity, it's the ideal choice for first-time hot tub families. With room for everyone to unwind, there's room for everyone to enjoy the soothing warmth. Gentle water caress from 3 fountains, enhancing the relaxing aura. The Balboa TP200 control panel enables you to control the 41 jets powered by 2 Storm Force 7 pumps for a soothing massage. The Ivy Beach 4 hot tub uses a 13 AMP supply for the 2-kilowatt heater, along with its 20 LEDs, creating a private oasis. What's a hot tub experience without tunes? Included in this luxury home spa is a Bluetooth speaker sound system, matching steps and an insulating cover. Free delivery, and in the UK mainland and 0 APR finance options mean you can spread the cost. And be sure your new hot tub will be set up by our expert engineers. In summary, the Ivy Beach 4 hot tub is a simple, perfect, and family-friendly choice. Welcome to the world of the Ivy Beach 4 hot tub.